In the current market, one of the best ways that we've been able to add value to our clients is to help them get their offer accepted on a property that they want. Over the last 12 months, the following strategies have dramatically increased our clients' offer acceptance rate. Let me explain to you what we do, why it's important to the seller, and why that means it should be important to you as a buyer. It's important to know that there are 3 different levels of loan approval. The first is pre-qualification. This is simply finding out verbally what type of loan and what purchase price you would qualify for. Pre-qualification is good for getting basic ballpark information, but if you're serious about writing an offer on a specific property, then just being pre-qualified won't do you any good. The next level is a standard pre-approval. You provide basic income and asset documentation, your credit gets pulled, and the loan officer reviews your file. The loan officer then provides you a single-page letter, which is the minimum needed to be able to submit an offer on a specific property. This is where most lenders stop. So, how are we different? We have something called the Zenith Certified Buyer Program. Before you've even found a specific property, we actually turn the file into our underwriter. The underwriter is the person responsible for formally approving your loan request. Our underwriter will sign off everything having to do with employment, income, assets, down payment, and credit. Here's how this helps our buyer. With full underwriting approval on hand, your offer will have the following advantages. 1, we can offer to close on your new home in as little as 8 days. A quicker closing provides the seller a lot more flexibility for when they're making plans on their next property. 2, we allow you to waive all financing contingencies. This shows the seller that we have full confidence that your loan will go through, and they won't be stuck putting the home back on the market. 3, we guarantee your earnest money deposit. This means that if for some reason we can't get you financed and it's our fault, we will reimburse you for your full earnest money deposit up to $10,000. Not only that, we'll reimburse you any expenses you've incurred for home inspectors, appraisers, and we'll provide you up to $2,500 in short-term storage, moving, and relocation expenses. 4, we will guarantee our ability to close the transaction on time. If we don't, we will pay the seller of the property $1,000 a day for every day that we are late, and we'll pay you, the buyer, $1,000 a day as well. Our slogan, Otubans, says it all. We close every loan on time, under budget, with no surprises every time, and we put our money where our mouth is. Most properties on the market will have 3 to 5 competing offers. There are 2 ways to move your offer to the top of the stack: price or terms. By providing the strongest possible terms and guarantees, we give the seller every excuse to choose your offer, even when they may have other offers at a higher price, or all cash buyers that are lowballing the price. Work with a local mortgage expert, and don't just settle for pre-qualification or standard pre-approval given out by most companies. The fact is, no other mortgage company does so much to ensure that all families have an outstanding home buying and loan closing experience. Make your offer stand out with the Zenith Certified Buyers Program.